DJ Duck in the house.
You're actually in the shed. While us humans are doing it tough at home during the lockdown, our pets are certainly loving having us at home. So what I thought, girls, is we would build her a new bed.
She'd love that.
What do you think, Ducky?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Sounds sweet.
Sweet. Okay, so the first thing we need to do, measure Coco's mat, 900 by 1 metre.
So, what are we going to need for this?
We're going to need some tools and we're going to need some timber, obviously, to build it. What I'm going to use is some old rough sawn boxing timber, because that's what I've got here. We've got some building to do. Do you mind hopping off the workbench? Go on it.
Yeah.
Okay, Rio, you do the honours. Mark that out for us, please. 900.
Yes.
Get it bang on to the millimetre.
Bang on.
Yep.
And should I do this side?
Yep, square it all the way through.
Hey.
Okay, away you go. Try pushing it gently. Ah, where's your patience? The old apple doesn't fall far from the tree, does it? Whoa, oh my God. Woo. Okay, so we've got our 4 pieces of timber all cut. So the next thing, ladies, is pre-drill a hole on our ends and screw it all together. Right, away you go. So we'll pre-drilled our holes. Our Rio, if you could do the honours.
Oh, I don't know how good I am with this.
Practice makes perfect. Right, let's try it on there. Perfect, see?
Perfect.
So the next thing we have to do is build our floor. I've cut some 3x2, 1 on either side, thank you, Rio. Nice and tight. Okay, now you need a little bit of pressure on there. Let's drop our baseboards in. You got that, Rio?
It's looking good. How is she going to get in? Because it's a bit high, isn't it?
What I had planned, you've jumped the gun a little bit. We're just going to cut a nice line down and up to gain access in through the front.
Too easy.
Okay, Ducky, if you measure 200 millimetres, put a mark on there.
That would be there.
200 millimetres there, young Rio.
200's right there.
Ducky, if you could draw that little half circle for us. Beautiful.
DJ Duck in the house.
You're not in the house, you're in the shed. Come on, jeepers, creepers. Focus. Right. Good, Ducky. Give it a sand up
And then paint it.
Yep, something really nice like black.
No, we do. Let's do a vote. Who votes black? Now who votes turquoise? You think Coco will like it? Yeah, I think she'll love it.
Ducky, cut that out. I look like Papa Smurf. Yeah, little hook.
My sign is officially done.
Now that was one really easy little project. You guys did a fantastic job, by the way.
I think Coco loves it.
What do you reckon, Coco? You like it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you
cute.
do.